If you forgot your Gmail password, open the Gmail app, tap Sign In, then choose Forget Password. Google will ask you to enter the recovery email or phone number linked to the account. So, type that in and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm with a code sent by SMS or email, answer security questions, or verify with your device. Tap the prompts on your trusted phone, and once verified, you'll be allowed to create a new password. If those options fail, use the account recovery flow. Enter as much info as you can. Past password when you created the account, recovery email. To prove ownership, after you regain access, set a strong new password and turn on two-step verification in Google account security to protect your account.